Hey guys, it's Taz. If you are new to my page, welcome. If you are not new to my page, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how I achieved these gorgeous goddess locks from old knotless gypsy box braids. So if you are interested in how I achieved this look, keep on watching. Okay, so I used a crochet needle, human hair, Afro kinky hair, and again this is on old box braids that I just wrapped the Afro kinky hair around. So with your crochet needle you latch on the human hair, put it through your braid, and I wrap my hair away from my face, so the direction going away from my face. I find it easier to wrap down this way and a lot faster, especially when you are doing the front of your head. Keep in mind, the longer your box braids are, which is your foundation, the more hair you will need to wrap all the way down your braids. So my box braids were actually pretty long, and I needed quite a few packs to achieve this look. This was inspired by YouTuber Winnie Jean, who is the guru for protective styling. I thought her look was super dope. Please don't mind me guys, I'm just jamming. But this is the final look and I absolutely loved it, and it got better over time. Thank you all for watching. You can follow me on Instagram and find me on my website, Tazzmanellc.com.